Hello friends, today we will see how to download YouTube music from YouTube audio library that is copyright free. For that you have to go to your Chrome browser and type here YouTube audio library. Now click on first link. It will direct you to YouTube audio library. For that you have a Google account that is used for YouTube channel. Means you have to have a YouTube account. Then if you will click on that link, it will directly direct you to this page. Now you can see first one. Okay, then if you want to download it, then there is a download option, right corner. Now it is downloading. Now open file and you can hear it also. Okay, now if you want to see your file, go to download. Now it is showing over here. Okay, so you can directly download it from here. One thing is to be pointed out here. There is a filter. You can see over here. It will show attribution not required and attribution required. Attribution not required is for you don't have to give credit to anybody. You can directly download these songs. Like I have applied this filter. Now this music are showing here. You can directly download from here. Now first play any song. Okay, now you can download from here. Okay, and second one is attribution required. In this you have to give credit to their owners, but it is Creative Commons. You will not get copyright strike, but you have to give credit. So for this you have to click on license type like CC. It is written over here. Okay, when you are using this music MP3 and you are adding it in your video, then you have to copy this. Whatever it is in gray box, there is a copy symbol. Copy it and then put it into your description. Then there will no copyright claim for that video. So I think it is helpful, and if you find it helpful, please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.